Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Suncity. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Now, in any unique situation, there might be chances that you want to remove the featured images from all of your blog posts, and your blog post can be in thousands of numbers. So it's very difficult to go to each one of them one by one and delete them. So therefore, I decided to make this video where you'll be learning how to bulk remove featured images from your posts in WordPress within a single click. And you can even have hundreds and thousands of posts, but this method is still going to work. So you need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. Now go to the theme functions. This is the functions.php file of our WordPress theme, and we can make any kind of changes here to change our themes function. Now at the end of this file, we have to add a small piece of code. Now before entering this code, make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. So I'm also adding this code in the description so you can get it from there. So copy the code and paste it at the end of this file. Now as you can see that the code has been pasted, and this code will generate a query to remove all the featured images altogether. So this is basically a one-time code which will run and will remove all the featured images. Now you need to be assured that this won't delete any of the images, it will just delete the linking of your images as featured images. Now once you have done all of this, just click on the update file option, and then the file is edited successfully. So now you can go to your post sections to see the changes. Now as I refresh this page, you can see that all the featured images have been removed from post section in WordPress. So this is how easy it is to bulk remove featured images from posts in WordPress. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.